Ma'am, actually, our exams are going to start from like November 16th, ma'am. And the first exam is math.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Chakrika.
actually, we got the date sheet. We got the date sheet of the exams.
Okay.
So, like, our exams are going to start on like 16th November, and
Okay.
maths is the first exam, ma'am.
Okay. So till now, I think this is the last chapter which we are doing, na? Yes. For your syllabus, na? Everything else we have finished. Yes, Chakrika?
Having perimeter also, like only perimeter though.
Okay, okay. So after this, we have to do perimeter as well?
Yes, ma'am. Only perimeter, like no
Okay,
area,
okay,
only
okay. Yeah, no
perimeter.
problem. We have still 1 month. We will finish it. Don't
Okay,
worry.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what about the revision?
Yes,
Or like
yes.
the tests? Revision or like the tests?
Yes, I will take whatever chapters I have completed. I'll take the revision test. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so now students, today we are going to start with a chapter which is very, very important and very, very like important that will help you in all the classes. Like you are in 7th class, even in 8th class, 9th class. What's wrong? Wait. Sometimes my, my notepad behaves like out of mind. Okay, what is this? Okay, can you people see my screen now? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am. We can see your screen.
Okay, only Chakrika can see. What about others?
No, ma'am. I'm not
Yeah,
able to see.
everyone can see. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Sandus is back? No?
No, ma'am. I don't think so.
Mhm. Okay, I will start. If she'll come, we
Ma'am,
will.
wait. This is back.
This is?
So this is back, ma'am.
Sandus is back.
Yes, ma'am. She joined.
Yeah, she is here, but she told me na that I'll come in 1 minute.
Oh, wait, okay, ma'am. Sorry.
She is not responding. She is not back.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's just
Okay,
start.
ma'am. Yeah.
Oh
So
my
what
God.
are we doing, ma'am?
I am trying to do something, but I don't know what's wrong with my writing pad.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what like what
Chapter, we are doing rational numbers.
we started it, ma'am.
No, we haven't started it. I'm trying to start, but
So this is like the first class you're doing of that
yeah,
lesson.
first class. Okay, let me just wait and check what's wrong. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's just start. Over here, we are going to start with the rational numbers, right? So rational numbers, like these chapters are going to help you in a long run, not even in your this class, but in other class as well. Okay. So, ma'am, what are rational numbers first? Right? So rational numbers are
Rational numbers are infinite or like infinite or like they have particular numbers are there.
yeah, they can be infinite. There is no limit of any number.
Okay.
Right? So they are always in the form of P upon Q form. But remember, this Q should not be equals to 0. Right? You can write 1 upon 3, 4 upon 2, 7 upon 1. Any number you can write, but you cannot write it like this. Because
Ma'am,
this Q
ma'am,
will
but we
never
can
be.
also write. Ma'am, but we can write like 0/3 though, right?
Yeah, you can write 0/3. But you cannot write 3/0 because your Q can never be equals to 0. Right? So this is what rational number is. So first, when you will write the definition of rational number, what you will write? Rational numbers are represented in the form of
P and Q.
are represented in the form of P upon Q, where
Ma'am, so like I think this last number is a half lesson is about like the
rational
fraction,
number is
right?
basically a fraction, right? But in
Okay.
fraction, there is nothing that Q cannot be 0. But over here, there is only one condition that Q should not be equals to 0. So you will write rational numbers and then you will write rational numbers are represented in the form of P upon Q, right? Where
Ma'am,
Q should not
my
be equal to 0.
friend she got a question
Hmm.
that P upon Q
Hmm.
into a number, like suppose 4 upon 2. So 4 by 2, and she wrote she made a question of like PQ.
Hmm.
So is that correct or not? She should
Yeah,
make
this
the
is
question.
yeah, 4 upon 2 can be.
No, I mean the PQ should be any number question,
Yeah,
like
any
Q.
number. But remember, Q you cannot take 0. That's it.
Okay.
Any number you can take, but Q can never be equals to 0. Okay. So you will write this
So,
expression.
ma'am, she did like
Hmm.
3 upon 6 by
Yes.
into 4 by 2. So that will be correct, right?
Yeah, that will be correct. Yes. Two rational numbers we can multiply. Right? So you will write rational numbers are represented in the form of P upon Q, where Q is should not be equals to 0. Quickly note it down, then we will move to the next part.
Okay, ma'am.
Done.
Mom, what does it say in like the bracket?
It says Q should not never be equal to 0.
No, mom, in the bracket, like the whole thing.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
This says that rational numbers are represented in the form of P upon Q form. P upon Q, right? How will
Okay,
you
ma'am.
write rational numbers? P upon Q. But remember that Q should not be equals to 0. That's okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Ma'am, I guess everybody is done.
Yes, ma'am, I think so.
Done?
Yes.
But I didn't get ma'am done from anyone. Okay. So now let's just do this first one first. Okay. You have to find the rational numbers between these numbers. Right? So over here the question comes, ma'am. How will I get to know, ma'am, these are the rational numbers? Like these are the only numbers which I got. Right? Now, how can I say that, ma'am, these are the rational numbers I will be getting? I hope you people know that what are the rational numbers. Yes? Now
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think it's clear to everyone. Right?
Ma'am, like it is telling -1 and 0. How I have to how I have to five national numbers. Like we have to do five, right? But I don't have five. Like -1 and then 0 is there.
Yes.
What are the numbers?
Yeah, don't worry, I'll tell you. For example, if I'll give you 10 between 1 and 2, find me the numbers. It is not possible to find the numbers, right? Because after 1 directly 2 comes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, whenever you get a question like this, like -1 and 0, I'm doing the first one first. Okay. First, can you write -1 and 0 like this? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can write it like this. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, what you can do is, basically, you can take anything, any number. Let's just take 10. Okay. You will write it like this: -1, 1. And over here, 0 and 1. Now what you have to make is, you have to make 10. And here also you have to make the 10. Now 1 should be multiplied with which
Ma'am, why
number?
should we make it? It's like 10.
Because over here there is no denominator. Na?
So we'll make it as 10.
Yes, you can take 10. Any number you
Okay.
can take. Okay, because 10 is very feasible. In this situation where the denominator is giving, you will use different trick. I'll tell that. Okay. But here, as no denominator was given, so you will take 10. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now if you have to make it,
You take 1, right, if there's no denominator given.
yeah, over here, yeah, you can
Ma'am?
take 10 if no denominator is given to you.
So
Or even
suppose
20,
I mean,
30,
1,
40,
1.
12, anything. Sorry.
1.
No, 1 is the denominator. You are making it like that in the fraction form. Na? But actual numbers are not given to you apart from 1. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
And if
right.
you're gonna solve them,
Hmm.
like, do you have to solve them by taking like the
Yes.
LCM and
Yes.
stuff?
Yes. I'll tell you. Okay. Forget about everything. I'm just doing it again. The same thing which I told you, I'm doing it again. Okay. Wait. See, just look at my screen first, then ask your doubts. Okay. So over here, for example, -1 upon 1 it is, and over here it is 0 upon 1, right? What I said, just write here 10, okay, equals to 10. And here also write 10. Clear? Now tell me, by which number I should multiply 1 that it will become 10?
10.
10?
10.
Yes or no? Everyone is agreeing on this? That I should
Yes,
multiply
ma'am.
with 10? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I did over here is I multiplied it with 10. Okay, and here also you will multiply with the same number. So what you got? 10 upon 10 you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
over
Yes.
here, by what number I should multiply this that it will become 10? 10
10.
only. So here also you will multiply. So what you got?
0 by 10.
Right? It will be -10. Right? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Because -1
Okay.
was there. No? So now this is your new number.
So the numbers in
Ma'am,
between will be like 1 by 10,
ma'am,
2 by 10, like that.
Yes. So the numbers
Ma'am?
between -10 and 10. Wait a minute. I'll explain it. Then you can ask your doubts. Okay. So now the numbers between -10 and 10 and 0 upon 10 will be your answer. So over here, how it will be? Ma'am, -9 upon 10, -7 upon, -8 upon 10, -7 upon 10, right? -6 upon 10, so on till 0 you will go, right? So I think
Ma'am?
easily you can find 5 numbers. Yes, Sindhush.
Suppose like if it is -4, so I have to write -4 by my -4, 4, right?
No, no, -4 by 1 only.
Okay.
See,
So everything that we divided, it should be 1.
yes. If any denominator is not given, for example, it's 2. Denominator is not given, so you will write it like this. Right? If it is 5, denominator is not given, you will write it like this. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
So I hope everyone got it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This part is clear. I'm explaining the
Mm.
same question again over here, taking the different number.
Ma'am, we
Yes.
have suppose I took, ma'am, is it okay if I took like even numbers?
Yeah, you can take any number, 10, 20, 30, 12, 6, 7, 8,
Okay.
any number.
That
But why I'm
that
taking
should come
10
in
is
the
because
table.
10 is easy to multiply,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So let's just take, for example, you have to find the numbers between -1. Okay, let's just take 2 and 3. Okay, you have to find the numbers between 2 and 3. You have to find 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Okay, so what I will do, 2 upon 1, and here also 3 upon 1. Now multiply, multiply, here also multiply, multiply. What I have to make is 10. Yes. So 1 should be multiplied by which number that it will become 10? 10, ma'am. So here also you will write 10. So you got 20 upon 10. Here 10. 1 should be multiplied with 10. Here 30. Yes. So now you have these two numbers, this and this. So you have to find 20 upon 10 and 30 upon 10. So I think easily you
Ma'am,
can find 21
so
upon
like
10. Yes.
ma'am, in here, so like we have to do the opposite. We have to first find the the downward and then the first one.
Yes.
Right?
Here every time you have to find like this only. Whatever number you will multiply here, automatically you will multiply it. Whatever number you will multiply here, you will multiply it with the numerator as well.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
I hope everyone got it. Chakrika, Vega, Sindhu, everyone got
Yes,
it.
ma'am. Got it.
Yes.
Yes.
But rational numbers, but are like basically mean like they're fractions, right?
Yes. Fractions. But the only difference is in fraction, Q can it's not a condition that Q should not be equals to 0. But here it is a condition.
Yes, ma'am. And like the integers. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So first you will note it up, this one. Okay. The first one I have already done for you.
Right.
-6 upon 10. It can be -5 upon 10. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got the 5 numbers. Right? Then you will try the second one and you will tell me the answer. Okay, everyone. First copy the first one and then try doing the second one.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, we just need 5 or we need I wrote the full answer.
Yeah, no problem, but you have to mark it. Ma'am, these are the 5 rational numbers.
No, I mean I wrote all of it.
But you
I
have to
didn't
mark
wrote
it.
5.
You have to mark it like this. You have to tell them these are the 5 rational numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
And after that, do the second one.
The sign is very important, right? We have to write it with it, right?
Yes.
Suppose
If
you
you miss
wrote
the sign, then
-10,
automatically it will
minus.
become 2, na?
Yeah, minus 8 upon 10. Then you also minus 8 upon 10 like that. It is important, right?
It is very important.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, the third one we can do like this: minus 4 upon the 1 and then minus 5 upon 1. Or no, like we have to do it, but just we don't have to write 1. We have to
Yes.
do with total.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Chakrika.
ma'am, should we solve the second one or like should
Yes.
we find the rational numbers?
You should solve it like this only, na? And then find the rational numbers. Okay.
Done, ma'am. For
Like,
the second one, we
The
can
steps are
to
going to be
solve
same.
it.
denominate as 10, right?
Sorry.
Ma'am, for the second one, we can take the denominator as 10, right?
Yeah, then take 10 only here also.
Okay, ma'am.
Same
Done.
Yes,
process,
ma'am.
but the number will be changed.
So when we
What
like,
is the third one,
like
ma'am?
it'll be minus 20
Ma'am,
minus 10.
suppose
So it'll be minus
Minus
30, right?
20
1 has
upon
only
10.
ma'am.
Here it will be minus 10 upon 10.
So we add them, right?
Where?
Like, I mean, minus 10, I mean, minus 20 minus 10 will become minus 30, right?
No, why?
Ma'am, for solving it.
Yeah, when you will solve it, why it will become 30?
Because like same sign we add.
Here you don't have to do. You have to take it separately, like this entire step.
Okay.
Why you will solve it?
Ma'am, I also have the doubt like that also. Ma'am, I was just asking that, suppose like this 4 4, in one of the signs we have to write, right? Like if there is one
Yes.
minus sign, then we have to
Yeah.
write it
If
minus.
it is one side, take one. If it is on the both the side, take both the side. Okay. Okay. I'm giving you people 2 minutes. Quickly solve it. I will solve it again, and you will check how I did. Okay. Don't worry. Whenever we do new things, take time to learn. Okay. Yes.
So as it is like minus 10 by 10, we take from minus 10 by 10, right? Like minus 10 by 10 minus 11 by 10, like that. Or like do we go backwards?
From 20.
From
Because it's
20.
Ma'am?
negative, it's always negative. See,
Okay, ma'am.
for
Ma'am,
example,
if we are done with the second one, can we do the third one?
no, I'll tell
Ma'am?
you the third one. There is another trick.
Suppose like there is one number, suppose it's 4 upon 8. So in 8 there is no 10, like it is not.
Yeah,
Suppose
that's what I'm
it's
telling
close.
you. Over here, if the denominator will be given, there is some different trick to solve that. I'll tell you, don't worry.
Ma'am, I'm talking about this third one you gave, right?
Yes,
Third
yes.
one.
Third one has a
Mom
different trick.
actually got it. So yeah.
Okay, so now just forget
For
about
the
third one because third one has a
find the
different
LCM,
trick.
right, ma'am?
Sorry?
We have to find the LCM.
Yes, you will find the LCM. Okay, so before going to third one, I am doing the second one over here. Just look at the screen. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm just erasing it and I'm just doing it. Okay, so when denominator is not given, I've already told you what you have to do. So you will write minus 2 upon 1 and here minus 1 upon 1. Multiply, multiply. What you have to make is 10. Here also, what you have to make is multiply, multiply. You have to make 10. So you should
Ma'am, like
10.
suppose in minus 2 we have to write 2 into 10, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. I has like minus 2 into we have to do minus 10. No need of writing this sign.
No, you have to mention it. But you don't have to write minus 10. Na? Why you will write minus 10?
Okay.
Right? This is what now you have minus 20 upon 10 and here you have minus 10 upon 10. So it will be minus 19 upon 10, right? Minus 18 upon 10, minus 17 upon 10, minus, oh sorry, wait. Yes. Okay. Then what you will do? Minus 16 upon 10, minus 15 upon 10, minus 14 and so on till here. You got the 5 numbers. That's it. Everyone clear till here? I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
reading about the question. when the denominator is 1, when the denominator is not given. Okay? Yes? Is it clear?
ma'am.
The questions are clear to everyone? Anyone who
Yes,
has
ma'am.
any
Clear
doubt?
to everyone.
I will explain again.
Ma'am.
Yes.
So we like 5 are enough, right? 5 rational
Yeah, 5
numbers
are
are
enough. Yeah, no need to write only 5. They have asked for
Okay.
5
Want
rational
you
numbers.
can write more,
It can
right?
be anything. It can be you can write these as well, ignoring this. Any number, any 5 number in between you can mention.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
like in
want
exam,
we can write
if
more, right?
this question asked, so
Hmm.
if I wrote all of it, so they will cut the marks or no, they will
Yeah,
not
because
cut
they
the
have asked for 5, why you are exceeding the limit,
Okay.
right? That's why if you write every number, what you can do, for example, you mentioned all the number, right? At that time, what you can do is, you can do this one. You can just make a arrow over here and you can write 5 rational numbers. That's it. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, Vega, you were asking something?
No, ma'am, I was asking like, is it okay to write full?
No, you have to mention it like this, because they have asked for 5, why you are giving 10, right?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
You can write all, but you can mark it that these are the 5. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
For example, if I'll ask you, what is your name? So what you will tell? My name is Vega. I study in 7th class. You will not tell that, no?
No.
Right? So that's why here also. Okay. Now question comes is -4 upon 5 and -2 upon 3. Now over here the denominator is given. So at that time what you will do? 5 and 3. You will multiply these two. What will give? 5 and 3 will give you 15. Right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So what you can do is now -4 upon 5 multiplied with what? That it will become 15. Tell me.
3.
3. Here also then 3. You got -12. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And here -2 upon 3. Multiply. What you have to make is 15. So 5. Here 5. Yes. Yes or no?
Okay.
Ma'am, if we
Okay,
get
ma'am.
the
So you are telling that if like numbers are, if 10 is not giving it, you have to multiply it with another number.
Yes. Right?
Okay.
Or see.
Ma'am?
In case what? Yes.
ma'am, but then we only get 3 rational numbers.
Yes. I'm coming to that only. So over here, what you will see is, ma'am, we are only getting the 3 rational numbers. How will I do it? Yes, that's coming to your mind.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone? Right? So over here, what you can do is, you can take any number which is greater than that. Okay? Clear? See, what you did is, you cannot multiply it with 10.
Ma'am, so can we take like 14?
Yeah, 14, no. You cannot take any number.
20, ma'am?
You
16, ma'am,
20?
16.
Yeah, you can take 20. Let's just try with 20, okay? Yes. You can try it like this, but always take a bigger number so that you don't have to do it again and again. Okay, let's just try it with 20. Okay, if you take 20, what will be the thing? 5, 4. Here you got -16. 20, but 3 don't comes in 20, na?
Hmm.
You cannot multiply this so that you will get.
I'm 24, but 24, 5 will not get.
So any number that comes in both 5 and 3, think about it.
30, ma'am, 30. 30, 30, 30, like that can come, right?
Let's try. Okay, so what we have to make is 30. So 5,
6
6,
are 30.
and 4 6 will be, tell me,
24.
24
Yes.
minus. And over here 30. So 10, 10. No, not possible. Not possible, na? Because you are getting -24 and 20. So only 3 rational numbers you will get. Think about it. Any other number? Think. 45.
Ma'am,
Should I take
yes, ma'am,
45?
45.
So 5, 9s are 45. Here also 9 4s will be 36.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Minus 36. Yes or no?
3 into 15 is
About
equal to
35.
45. 3 into
Ma'am,
15 is
35.
equal to
Yes. Over here 45 you have to make. So what should I multiply?
Ma'am, we can
15.
also take
50.
55, right?
Yeah, you can also take 55. 55.
35.
35. No. 35 don't come in 3 table, no?
Oh yeah. Okay, ma'am.
So 15. And over here you will write 15. So 15, 30. So I hope you got it, right? Minus 36 upon
Okay, ma'am.
45 and minus 30 upon 45. Yes? Yes? So over here it is minus 35 upon 45, minus 34, 33, 32, 31.
Ma'am, in
Got
this
5.
lesson, I got that we have to learn multiplication and
Okay. Now, when the numbers are given, na, the only trick I am telling you right now is this. See, what you got is 15. Yes. You got 15, yes or no? Right? So what you
yes.
have to do basically, just count this. 15. Ma'am, it was not possible. Then you will take the another number which is 30. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. Ma'am, 13 again not possible. Then 15 threes are 45. So see, 45 was possible. Right? In case if 45 is not possible, then you will take the other number. Right? Like this. That's why
61.
when the denominator is given, just multiply them. You got 15. If 15 is not, then take the other number. 15 twos are, 15 threes are, like this, take it. No need to go for any other number. Clear?
Multiply in the sense like basically LCM, right?
Yeah, LCM basically. Like 5 and 3. Right? Just multiply them.
Yes.
Same thing. Right? I hope it's clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It's
So when you have to put over here the number now, first what you will do, first what you did, like it was this minus this. So what you took was 15, but it was not possible, right? Then the other number which you will keep over here will be 30, no 20 or 25, because if after 15, 15 twos is 30. So you will take 30. Then you will try, ma'am, not possible. Then the another number which you will try will be 45 only. If this is also not possible, then you will take the 15 forza, right? 15 forza will be, tell me,
60.
60. So you will take 60, right? And if 60 is also not possible, then 75, like so on. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will quickly note it up. This one, just do it in a good way, right? Taking 45, and then we will move to, then do me this one, fourth one on your own.
Ma'am,
Done, ma'am.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay, done?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. Tell me, tell me.
I don't get it. Like, because like for like -1/2, like the number will be lesser than like 2/3.
Yes.
Like, so to find the rational numbers between them, it'll be harder.
No, why? Just
So
take
like,
minus, that's it.
um, but then like, if we take one number and we multiply it with it, like 1/2 -1/2, like then its numerator will be lesser than 2/3's numerator. So then like how can we find the like the rational numbers 5 between them?
We can find it. Don't worry. What you did over here is you took the LCM. 6 it was.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
tried
ma'am.
making it 6. It was
Ma'am, but I
possible.
missed 24.
Okay, 6 was possible. I hope
No,
everyone is
ma'am.
satisfied with this.
6 and 12 was not
Ma'am,
possible.
just
ma'am.
wait,
So I
ma'am.
took
Just wait,
24.
please,
Okay,
please,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
24 is like the
Ma'am,
basic.
Yes, I'm just waiting for 1 minute for Sandhu's. Then I will discuss it. Okay, girls?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, I finally got the answer. And ma'am, I think everyone is done, right?
Okay. So I'm just
Ma'am,
discussing
I
the
got
answers.
60. We can divide it with 60, right?
Okay, I don't know. I'll do it. Then I'll only get to know.
Ma'am, I think only 24 is possible.
Okay, let me
I
check.
think
Let me check.
60
Wait.
is also possible.
Okay.
24
So
is
very
only
first
one.
thing you multiplied it, you got 6, right?
Ma'am,
So
but
you
6
can
is
take
not
6,
possible.
then 12. Possible?
Yeah,
Not?
ma'am, 12, but it's not possible.
Not possible. Then 18?
24.
24.
18. No, ma'am.
No. Then
Oh, yeah.
24?
Yes, ma'am.
Possible? Okay.
Ma'am,
So what you
24
did?
it's possible.
Okay, so minus, so 24. So you have to multiply it with 12.
12.
So you got minus 12 upon 24, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
here 2 upon 3
Yes, ma'am.
multiplied with 24. So you have to multiply this with,
Yeah. 8.
you have to multiply
8,
this with
ma'am.
8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's 8, right?
Wait a minute. Okay. So now 8 and 8, you got 16. 8 to 16 now.
Yes, ma'am.
So after this minus 12 upon 24. So you got, after this what you got?
13 by 24.
Okay.
Minus 13 by 24.
Minus 12. Think about it.
I mean 13 by 24.
Think.
No, it will be 13, right?
After 12, what will come? 11. Minus 11.
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Mom, within this.
Minus
Ma'am,
10.
Okay.
Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Then you will start 1, 2, 3, 4, and 16. Now you came too long that you took 12. Even it was possible in the 6. I'll do it. See.
Ma'am, can you do it with 60 and try?
Yeah, you can do any number you can take. Any larger number you can take. You cannot take the small number. Right? So I'm just telling you that you took so big numbers. See, 6 I'm doing. Minus 1 upon 2, you have to make 6. 3 and 3. So you got minus 3 upon 6. Right? Here, 2 upon 3, multiply by 2, 2. So you got 4 upon 6. So you have minus 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 6. So see, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6, 0, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6. You got the 5 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? Girls? Yes
Yes,
or no?
ma'am, got it.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
The only thing which you are getting confused is C. This is a number line. Okay, it always start like 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Yes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So over here after minus 4, minus 3 will come, then minus 2 will come, minus 1 will come, then 0 will come, then 1 will come, then 2 will come, then 3 will come, then 4 will come. You don't go this, you go this in increasing order. This is your increasing order and this is your decreasing order. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So that's why I was like, why you people are going too long? But right? So you can correct it quickly.
Then so ma'am 60 will also get now. Then I
Yeah,
can
60
do
you can do.
7.
Yes, 60 also you can. No problem.
Okay.
Mom, what if we took 24 and already did it?
Sorry.
What if like took 24, but then I just like corrected it? So can we do it? Can like still
Yeah,
write
that is
24?
also correct. I am not telling you that is wrong. I'm just telling you, you made your calculation difficult. And over here also, I think you did some mistake. Right? Taking the numbers. You took minus 3, then minus 4 or something. Now you have to come backward in negative. Right? That's why it is negative. Now you have to work reversely. Right?
Mom, but then as you wrote before, that is correct. That is also correctly like minus 12 by
Yeah,
24
that is also
minus
correct.
11
But
by
remember, you have to come in reversely in negative and then positively in like this. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, quickly note it down. Then I will give you one question and then I'll leave you people. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Wait.
I'm also done, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm giving you one question. Minus 1 upon 6 and 3 upon 4. Quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, 5 rational numbers would be okay, right?
Ma'am, it's easy one.
Okay. So now coming to this one. Everyone done?
Ma'am, 5 are enough, right?
Can we?
No, like 5 are enough, right?
Yeah, 5. Only 5 you have to find.
Okay.
Okay. So let's just do 6
Minus 24.
right? So let's just start with this 24.
Yes, ma'am.
So over here 4, 4. So you got minus 4 upon 24, right? The first number. And over here 3 upon 4, you have to make 24. You will multiply 6. 6 3s are 18. So minus 4 upon 24, minus 3 upon 24, minus 2 upon 24, minus 1 upon 24, 0, 1 upon 24, 2 upon 24, 3. So you got 5, right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can also like take from like minus 1 by 24, 0 by 24.
Yeah, you can take anything.
1.
Even you can write this. Minus 1 upon 24, 2 upon 24, 3 upon 24, 4 upon 24,
Okay,
5
ma'am.
upon 24. Any 5 number. There is no limitation. Okay? Okay, so I
Yes, ma'am.
hope now if I will give you any number to find the rational numbers in between, you people will do it confidently, right? And this question definitely comes for 2 mark or sometime for 3 mark, right? Okay. So now still we have 1 more minute left. So what you people will be doing, revise it whatever we did today. The ones where numerator is not given over there, do it. For example, over here if I give you this, like find me the numbers between minus 20 and minus 30. At that time, no need to take 10 because you can see these number are greater than 10, right? So you can take 100 at that time. Okay. Over here in this question,
What? I didn't understand.
see, over here it was minus 1 and 0. So what you were taking is you were taking 10, right? Yes or no? You were taking 10,
Yes.
na? But in case if I give you this, find the numbers between -20 and -21. These two numbers. These are greater than 10, na? So at that time you will take 100. Okay?
So that the numbers that are similar is like 30 minus 30 and minus 31. We have to do it with 100 only.
Yes, because it is greater than 10. Okay, these
Okay.
numbers.